Hello, hello everyone.
Hey, 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 how are you? I like this, being all excited about the day five in this Global Hack Week season launch. How are you, Vinjek?
I am all good. What about you, Alberto? How your global hack week has been? I saw you do a couple of streams. How has it been for you?
It's been amazing. I mean, like, I had a chance to do a MATLAB 101 introduction and day one. Then I had to rest a little bit because I just wrap up my classes of that semester. But now I'm back. Yesterday I had JavaScript Universe Part 1. Then just after this stream, I had the Part 2. And at the night, I will be having Part 3. So all happening very fast to me.
So, looks like folks are loving your JavaScript stream. I was there too, so I saw folks were super pumped up at your
Yeah,
stream.
yeah, but I also here I saw the MATLAB rocks. And how about you? How's being this global hack week for you?
For me, it has been like I almost this would be my seventh or eighth stream for this global hack week. Spent a lot of time with folks playing games, hosting hacker hangouts at Discord. Met some lovely folks. Like they're just amazing. Want to spend more time in the hacker community. And today in global hack week streams are always amazing. Gets to connect with folks and always super excited to see what's coming up on the day.
Yeah, that's amazing. I did it this time. I didn't have the chance to play a lot, but that's a thing I enjoy too.
Yep. It's been just like when you spend time with hackers, and there will be certain set of hackers they're going to turn up again and again and again. So you form a certain kind of bond with them. So next time they turn up at a conference which is might be physical or a hackathon which is a physical hackathon, the happiness is instant. So I really look forward to meet all the folks I've met during this week.
No, I totally get it. Well, yeah, that the same happened to me with many of these amazing hackers here.
Any day. Let's get started with day five. You wanna take over?
Yeah, sure, cool. So, welcome to this day five of the Global Hack Week, the season lounge. What do you think about our new mascot? Do you like it? I really find it fun. Let's try to introduce ourselves. First of all, you can remember me from the previous from the previous stream. My name is Alberto. I'm your coach at the Mere League Hacking here from Mexico. Fun fact about me is I'm passionate about coffee. You just saw me last stream pouring my very first coffee of the morning. I put this about Alberto Yeyas because some hacker posted on the previous stream, and I found it really, really funny. And I think that explains itself, but because I'm a JavaScript fan. And the last thing about say to me is that I'm a photography enthusiast. So if you want to reach out and talk about inspirational things, or for example, I really enjoy taking photographs of buildings. That's the thing I love the most. But well, enough about me. Tell us about you.
Hey everyone, I am Vinayak Rawat. I'm also a coach at Major League Hacking, hailing from India. And a fun fact about me for today would be it was a thing about today. I was singing a song in my bathroom, and the person who lives next door to me kind of appreciated it. So, yes, I sometimes sing. I'm also a bathroom singer, can be a pro bathroom singer as well.
That's really nice. What's your favorite song to sing on the bathroom?
It's a song like I'm better when I'm dancing. So usually when I take a shower, I sing that, and it's a fun song to be around.
That can be dangerous too because if you fell when you dance in the bathroom, that happened to me once.
That has happened to me a couple of times, but it's like you take bath every day, right? So it will happen for
Yeah,
once or twice in
it's
365
a,
days.
it's a risky profession.
Yeah. Cool.
And I see here for Guraj, can you please share direct of the past live stream? Thank you, Katija 48, because here's the link to the previous streams. and soon it will be available. Probably now it's still processing, but don't worry, it will be available. So, how's yesterday? We built a web scrapper with Newfold. So if you don't know what a web scrapper is, it's a really, really cool tool for us as developers because sometimes the information is not available through an API. So you have to make your own API to call it that way. So collecting these information from available websites and put it in your application, that's web scraping software is. And well, that can be really, really helpful when you're planning your hack. So if you mix it again, you can always watch the recap.
Next up, you folks got introduced to Hugging Face. This is something which even I and Ricky discussed when we were doing today in Global Hack Week. When you get to learn about new stuff at Global Hack Week, Hugging Face is something, if you're someone who is interested in ML, you're going to know a lot about and you're going to learn a lot about Hugging Face. Once again, if you have never heard about it, this was a beginner friendly stream. You can just hop in, and it was like I happened to get some part of it, and it was super good. All the documentation which is available, it would be tough to understand it once, but when you start spending more time with it and the streams which are up, you will find a lot of cool things, and it would be fun ultimately.
Hey, it's Yakomer here. David AI stream are wild to watch. He finds so many cool things. Yeah, I do agree with that. David streams are really, really cool. And also, talking about AI, I will recommend. I didn't see this time Stephen AI streams, but for example, the thing here it's when you're talking about Hugging Face and stuff, you're talking about how to consume this API. AI APIs, but Stephen take it to the next level on explain deeply what you are currently doing with neural networks and stuff. So both are really great to watch in streams. And yesterday, you all work on these challenges. Remember, here on the Global Hack Week, we have challenges that allows you to win the extra community points. And some use the low code or even no code tools, like in this one, for example, when you drag and drop these blocks to build the game. So that is really, really funny. And for those who are starting in programming, it really helps you not to know the language, but to structure your thoughts in making an algorithm, for example. And I just mentioned previous stream. For me, knowing how to program, it's not knowing syntax of a language. And knowing how to program, it's knowing precisely how to give these instructions to a computer for you to communicate. So really, really great tool.
Yep. And also want to add a point here. This game, if you see when the hacker built it, it was basically you need to catch the apple without making sure you do not hit the egg. So once you hit the egg, you will be getting some negative points for yourself. So this was created by Chanchal, and even we had certain conversation around Discord during our mini event which I was conducting. So superb stuff. Uh, Next up, you folks deployed next year's apps using Defang. This stream happened during the first year of Global Hack Week when you want to create, deploy, and manage your cloud applications. And I'm super happy to see that you're actually using it. The project was made by Cyril I'm so sorry if that is a wrong pronunciation to name, but kudos for picking this up. When you're trying to learn new things and you pick this up this quick and actually perform it, well done.
Okay, the next thing that happened yesterday is that you designed outfits for Easy, our new season mascot of 2025. Well, all of them, I'm sure they were amazing. But here are some highlights about the things we really, really liked. That, for example, these, I don't know the word for this. What will be? Any help, Vinja?
uh, do we are going to allow folks to guess it? I know the word for it. If anyone wanna guess it, Like
Uh,
we
uh,
we, we call we call this bandanas for easy,
yeah,
our mascot.
yeah, bandana, and I like these to wear because they are very, how to say, multi-purpose. You can wear it on your head, you can wear it on your mouth, you can attach it to your neck. Well, yeah, handkerchiefs. So this bandana was really really great. And well, someone even used AI to design this, putting a hat and a scarf, and that would be an interesting thing, right? If I don't know why this added the legs, but I think our mascot doesn't have legs. But specifying using a pant, how will that use a pant? But I don't know. And the last one is this really nice hoodie with like the feeling of being a hoodie of an astronaut, right? The stars, the MLH, and these buttons on the well the hands goes. This is really really nice.
And for all the things we have covered yesterday, we have a lot of amazing things coming today as well. So let's discuss what will be up. Again, folks, if you want to check all the schedule, this will be up here at our Global Hack Week website. To start up with, we'll have Newfill with basics of big data that is scheduled at 1 p.m. Eastern time and 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That will be just after the stream. Try to get to know more about big data. It's super fun. You will get to know about how such big data are managed in organizations. So that will be a fun stream.
Yeah, amazing. Then we have me again. I'm sorry for being too participative here. But we have the part three of the JavaScript universe. And as this says, you can unlock the potential of JavaScript because I want you to be honest for me to the people that are currently attending these sessions. For example, I here see a Sparky Circuit student. I'm trying to explain the JavaScript universe in depth. I mean, and not only going through you declare a function here and this is how you execute an algorithm and or everything, but I try to give insight of the history of how the language works inside, how are the types, the difference between if you declare an arrow function and a regular function, for example, the hoisting and everything, right? Here I see the response. Alberto, JavaScript Universe is while are you some somewhat following eloquent JavaScript by or you inspired by it? I'm not following it. I was just inspired by it. Eloquent JavaScript plus the just JavaScript by Abram. Sorry, I forgot the name. Dan Abramov. Sorry, but yeah, that's the inspiration of this series.
Cool. Then we have Ritvi that will be up with Art with Electronics Part 1. Just an announcement, folks. This stream was scheduled to happen on day 4, but now this has been moved to day 5 due to some technical difficulties. So make sure you join Ritvi at 1 a.m. Eastern Time, and that will be 10:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. If the time zone doesn't suit you, don't worry. The streams are recorded on our YouTube and Twitch as well. You will be able to get them at your convenient time. And again, explore the synergy of art and electronics with Retweet will be a fun stream for all of you.
And then we have you. I don't know if you want to introduce your mini event.
Yep. It would be a type racer mini event. Folks who think they are very good at playing with keyboards, they can type super fast. Make sure you join me for the type racer mini event that is scheduled to happen tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time and 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Looks like it would be good for everyone time zone. Take a break from hacking, have fun with me, have conversations, and see you there.
I have a question before we continue. Are you
Yep.
a fan of mechanical keyboards?
Yep, I do have a mechanical keyboard, and I also use gaming laptop as well. So I also love to type words faster. So yeah.
Yeah, that's a great activity. I have to admit I am a fan too, and I really love the sound that they make when you type. So Finally, for today, we'll have Today in Global Hack Week, hosted by our great friend Reedby. Tomorrow, same time, 12 p.m. ET time. So you need to join them for getting all you need to know about day 6. That will be the not the last one, but the previous for that. Sorry. And well, I think that's all that we have today. So we can start our Q&A. I don't know if you have some Qs. We have some A's.
Yeah. Any question, folks, regarding Global Hack Week schedules, swags, which you think I and Alberto can answer? And you do not need to worry in case you get a question after the stream. Discord will be always open for you, folks. Create a ticket. Someone from the team will definitely reach you out and help you out. And apart from that, just shoot up your questions. We'll be happy to answer that.
Yeah, definitely. But okay, this is a great chance. And if this is your first Global Head Week, go ahead, put what's in your mind, share with us. It doesn't necessarily have to be a question, indeed, but share a thought with us. We can discuss it. We can talk a little bit more.
I'll just check if we haven't missed any question up.
I think we don't. I didn't see
Yep.
any.
Yep, there weren't any.
I have a
Mhm.
question for you.
Yep.
Since we don't have any from the hackers yet, can you remember what has been your favorite global hack week this far? Like the topic?
uh, like the main topic like we use for global like with AI, something sort of that order.
Yep.
Yeah, the one which would be definitely the API one.
Mm,
There is a very specific reason to that. During that stream, that was the first time I thought I should take a technical stream for folks. I haven't done that before, and the type of response I got on that stream was more like, okay, folks really want to learn more about how things can be done, and that stream also kind of turned into so long. Like I guess I did a 2.5 hour stream. That particular stream, we had a lot of conversation even after the stream. So API week for me, exactly 1 year back, has to be the favorite one. Also because I like that topic, but also because of the sweet memory I have of that.
it's
And
amazing.
like, what goes for you?
I don't know. I think that's hard. In general, I think a specific one I remember very well was like 1 or 2 years ago. Wow, that's been a lot. Um, and I don't remember the topic. Like I don't remember the main theme, but I remember I give some. I think it was AI, if I remember well. But I'm not sure. I don't want to lie. And I give a uh, a track on MATLAB, seeing that people are talking about MATLAB here, about artificial vision. And I really enjoy that because it was something I just learned, and having the chance to share with the hackers was amazing. I don't know. I remember that being so warm, being so participative with all the hackers, and well, that was a specific one I enjoyed a lot. And in general, I think the ones that have focus for beginners. Like for example, in this season launch, I had the chance to share some beginner friendly streams, and that's another thing I like too because it helps you to remember the basics as the teacher, but also it helps a lot of hackers to start their journey. So that will be the answer for that.
Uh, I guess we do have a question. I saw hack your GitHub profile event previously on day 5. Now it's gone.
Oh, I had your game from profile event previously on that file. Now it's gone. I don't know that what happened. I think we keep a record of every stream, isn't it?
Yep, we do. Like, is it Alberto's stream or my stream? Hack your GitHub profile.
Yeah, I
Stream.
want to. They give they hack your game profile. I think
Yeah.
it's a pretty common.
But again, if it should not be gone, it should be there if that happened. In Twitch, that might be a case that might be removed, but on YouTube, definitely it would have been there.
I saw here a bit some. Oh well, I missed some session due to my class, the college. So, um, what about physical hackathon, or do you guys conduct physical hackathon or meetups? Well, for the first part of the question, um, if you miss something, you can always watch the recording here on the no this link no here on YouTube streams,
Hmm.
and you can find out about physical bands in the Major League Hacking page or well here for example MLH.io season 25 events, or even in our Discord they are announced and there's a list of upcoming events.
Yep.
And
So
well, I used to run physical hackathons, but now, to be honest, I don't have time. What about you?
Yep, I do run a physical hackathon named Open Hacks that we conduct yearly once. So if you are residing in the Asia Pacific region, we'll be having one soon. Keep a check on Open Hacks. Again, the link which is for the season's website for Major League Hacking, you will find all the hackathons that are happening which are partnered up with us. And apart from that, you can again always connect with the folks which are available on Discord, the amazing hacker community. They will actually let you know more about all the amazing physical meetups and hackathons that are happening overall. So that should be good for you.
I see a comment here that you want more MATLAB. We are going to get you more MATLAB. Don't worry. Yeah, MATLAB. And what time is it? The JavaScript Universe Part 3? It's 11 p.m. ET time. So don't miss out. And well, I think that's all of the comments we have this far.
Yep.
So, I don't know. I think we are ready to go. What do you think?
Yep, we are ready. We'll give you folks certain time before Newfield come up with his stream of basics of big data that is scheduled to happen just 35 minutes from now. Get rest, get your dinner, or whatever time zone you are currently in. Make yourself relaxed, and I and Alberto will see you soon in the upcoming streams.
Exactly.
Till that time, take care, folks.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.